Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can move your funnel into website section. It's super easy, just you need few clicks and after that your funnel will be moved into the website area. So first of all you go into the website area and here you simply create the new website and you can put the name. We will say test website. I just create it. Here we have backend of the website. I just create the first page here and we'll say test page. Okay, and I'm just going to create this one. Okay, here we have this section. So from here what we need to do, create from the blank and use from the existing. I just select the existing and I just select the funnel and I will select, you see we have new funnel there, that's a one funnels, and you can select the step of funnels and simply click on the import and it will be automatically importing on this area. I just click on it and it will take few seconds after that your page will be import here. Here you see that's ready to go in a funnels in a website. First of all we have design in a funnel, but by mistake I just moved to here in a just few click. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any site and funnel design services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and I will jump with you on call and I will guide you step by step.